According to Lamont and Peeler, it is the that exhibits creep upon application of load on a concrete specimen. A. Aggregates. B. Water. C. Cement paste. D. Admixtures. The correct answer is cement paste. This strain increases over time due to A. Creep. B. Elastic modulus. C. Short-term modulus of elasticity. D. Long-term modulus of elasticity. The correct answer is creep. When concrete is loaded, it experiences a large strain upon loading known as A. Differential elastic strain. B. Instantaneous elastic strain. C. Differential inelastic strain. D. Instantaneous inelastic strain. The correct answer is instantaneous elastic strain. If is creep coefficient, then what is along? A short 1. B a short 1. C even 1. D even 1. The correct answer is a short 1. If the stress is removed, the specimen shows an instantaneous recovery strain. The elastic strain on loading. A higher than. B lower than. C equal to. D much greater than. The correct answer is lower than. Creep as the age of application of load. A increase increase. B increase decrease. C decrease decrease. D decrease increase. The correct answer is decrease increase. Aggregate has therefore a direct effect on the long-term deformations of concrete because a low elastic modulus aggregate will produce a stiffer concrete that will have relatively higher resistance to deformation. B high elastic modulus aggregate will produce a stiffer concrete that will have relatively higher resistance to deformation. C high elastic modulus aggregate will produce a stiffer concrete that will have relatively lower resistance to deformation. D low elastic modulus aggregate will produce a stiffer concrete that will have relatively lower resistance to deformation. The correct answer is high elastic modulus aggregate will produce a stiffer concrete that will have relatively higher resistance to deformation. Concrete exhibits initial elastic strain which depends on A. Magnitude of applied stress. B. Rate of applied stress. C. Magnitude and rate of applied stress. D. Elastic modulus. The correct answer is magnitude and rate of applied stress. If the creep effect is considered at a given load, the modulus determined is referred to as A. Short-term modulus of elasticity. B. Elasticity. C. Long-term modulus of elasticity. D. Creep effect. The correct answer is long-term modulus of elasticity. Creep is A. Time dependent. B. Time independent. C. Pressure dependent. D. Temperature dependent. The correct answer is time dependent.